Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on VeChain. In the last few days, VeChain has quietly made some big news. New enterprise collaborations, blockchain sustainability milestones, and a surprising shift in a global market sentiment that could change VeChain's long-term trajectory. And with the recent crypto market volatility, especially including Bitcoin's sudden pullback and regulatory discussions heating up again, VeChain's positioning as a real-world enterprise blockchain is becoming even more interesting. So today I'll break down the latest verified updates, especially from the last 3 days, and we will analyze what's driving the market and discuss how these developments might affect the VeChain's price direction in the short term and in the long term as well. By the way, everything I'm sharing today comes directly from trusted and verified outlets, including CoinDesk, Yahoo Finance, the blog, Cointelegraph, and especially VeChain's own official blog, and also X and Twitter feed. And by the way, I have also cross-checked reports from Reddit community threads and LinkedIn posts by VeChain executives. So this is a fact-checked and up-to-date snapshot of where VET stands as of October 11, 2025. Now let's start with the biggest headlines of the week, and that is VeChain's expanded enterprise partnerships in sustainability and carbon tracking. According to CoinDesk and VeChain's own press release, by the way, the foundation recently announced a new initiative with Siemens Digital Industries to integrate VeChain's VET-powered sustainability tracking into industrial manufacturing workflows. This marks another major milestone after their earlier collaborations with PwC, DNV, and Walmart China, signaling that VeChain's enterprise adoption story is far from over. And by the way, this push is part of VeChain's mission to become the business layer of blockchain technology, focusing on transparency, supply chain visibility, and green certification system, a narrative that's gaining strength as a global ESG regulations tighten. Now let's talk about the token utility, and which is by the way a key factor for any price movement. Over the last quarter, VeChain has reported an increase on-chain transaction volume, partly due to rollout of its VET 2.0 ecosystem update, which improves scalability and cross-chain interoperability. And by the way, this upgrade verified through VeChain's GitHub and Cointelegraph's coverage, which enhances how dApps and enterprise systems interact. And by the way, it is effectively reducing transaction costs and improving speed of business clients. VeChain is also expanding its Vorj or VORJ platform, a no-code tool allowing companies to build decentralized apps and NFTs on the VeChain Thor blockchain. And by the way, this could attract small and mid-sized businesses who want blockchain features without heavy development costs. By the way, within few moments, I'll also show you the live chart for my price analysis of VeChain as well. But before that, let's take a look at the 4 major reasons that could affect the VeChain's price in the recent hours or coming few days. At number 1, we have the Bitcoin's volatility that is being driven by renewed tariff tensions announced by Donald Trump's administration, which really triggered a big flight from risk assets, and Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are at the top of those assets. At number 2, we have Ethereum developers, and there is a confirmed progress on the Pactra upgrade, which is aiming to improve stacking efficiency and network finality. And third, we have the US SEC delayed several ETF approvals again, which temporarily cooled investor sentiment across altcoins. Meanwhile, at fourth, we have Asia-based exchanges, which have been seeing renewed inflows into utility-focused blockchains, which includes VeChain as institutional investors search for real-world adoption plays. So all of this contributes to the mixed sentiment we are seeing right now. So what's next for VeChain? According to VeChain's October roadmap and insider comments shared by COO Sunny Lu, the team is focusing on expanding European carbon credit integrations, launching more cross-chain partnerships, and boosting enterprise developer incentives on the VeChain Thor network. If these deliver as planned, then VeChain could see a significant sentiment shift, and especially if Bitcoin stabilizes and investor confidence returns. Now let's take a look at the live chart of VeChain, and this is by the way a 7 days time frame chart. Recently, you can see that VeChain broke out another channel. Previously, we broke out this huge falling wedge pattern, but after the breakout, it was rejected by this very long-term uptrend line resistance, and this resistance was by the way found first time here in the month of October 2022. We had rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and after the breakout from this channel, we had another rejection here as well. Now, recently we have broken out another down channel, but after the breakout, it could not break out this key resistance line. That's out from 3.2 and goes to 3.4 cents. And now we are moved very close to this very long-term support of $0.0088 that was previously acting as a support here and almost as a resistance here as well. And now again, it can work as support, but so far the price line did not break down the next support levels. One was here at 2 cents, another one was here at 1.77 cents. That was recently breaking as a recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel as well. In case of breaking those support levels down and this support as well, that is here approximately at 1.5 cents. However, there can be another very major support that is a recent swing low point before the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, this one. That is at 1.3 cents. Then the price can drop down at this support. So far, the price did not break down this recent swing low point before the breakout from this side. Even this support of 1.5 cents as well, it is recovered back. So it depends where this weekly candlestick will be closed. If it will be closed above these support levels, then there can be a probability that we may see a price correction to the upside. However, if we will have a closing below the support levels, right now you can say it is recovered back, then there can be a probability that the price then will be move more down to this next long-term support here at $0.0088. However, the technical target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between 26 to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.